Pumpkin cheesecake. First, let's prepare the pumpkin puree. Start with washing the pumpkin, cut it into slices, and peel it. Add the pumpkin and water into a saucepan and boil until softened. Blend it and let it cool. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Wrap the bottom of the 22 centimeter springform pan in 2 layers of foil. Add the biscuits to a blender and pulse until broken down into fine crumbs. Transfer the crumbs to a bowl, add cinnamon, melted butter, and mix. Transfer the mixture to your pan and press the crumbs into a flat layer on the bottom and about 5 centimeters up the sides of the pan using the bottom of a glass. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until fragrant and turning a dark golden color on the edges. Set aside to cool while making the filling. In a large mixing bowl, beat the cream cheese with sugar at medium speed until smooth, about 2 minutes. Add the eggs, one at a time, allowing each to incorporate before adding the next. Once your eggs are incorporated, add the pumpkin puree, sour cream, cinnamon, and vanilla. Sprinkle the cornstarch on top. Mix on low speed just until incorporated. Pour the batter into the baked crust. Place the pan into a large roasting pan and place it in the oven. Carefully fill the pan with enough boiling water to come about 2 centimeters up the side of the springform pan. I used a separated pan with water as my springform has no bottom. Bake for about 1 hour or until edges are set but the center wobbles slightly with gently shaken. Turn the oven off and leave door closed for 1 more hour. Let it chill overnight or for at least 6 hours. Serve it with whipped cream. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and share. It really helps, and I'll see you in the next video.